All right. Well, it's been quite a day. After weeks of volatility, AI stocks have suddenly come roaring back. The NASDAQ surged more than 2.5 points. Many AI infrastructure companies gained anywhere from 5 to 15% in a single trading session. And if you've been following this channel, you know we've spent the last several weeks talking about one simple idea: ignore the daily noise, watch the fundamentals. Today's rally does not prove that AI stocks are headed straight back to all-time highs, but it does raise an important question. Did something actually change today, or is the market simply catching up to what fundamentals have been telling us all along? So let's find out. So what changed today? Markets rarely move this much without reason. Today's rally was not driven by a meme stock or a short squeeze. Investors were reacting to something much more important: confidence. Large technology companies continue investing enormous amounts of money into AI infrastructure. Cloud providers continue expanding data centers. Demand for GPUs remains strong. Networking equipment continues selling at record levels. The market is beginning to realize something we've talked about throughout the AI Factory series. Building artificial intelligence isn't a one-quarter project. It's a multi-year infrastructure build-out, and the story still has not changed. Now, whenever markets become emotional, I like returning to the AI factory. Instead of asking, what did the stock do today? I ask, what changed inside the AI factory? Are hyperscalers still spending? Yes. Are GPUs still selling? Yes. Did those GPUs still need networking? Absolutely. Do they still require fiber optics, lasers, optical transceivers, and DSPs, or advanced packaging and memory? Every single one. The machinery inside the AI factory is still running. The stock prices moved. The business story did not. So today was a great reminder of something every investor experiences. One day can feel amazing, another can feel terrible. My own portfolio gained more than $3,500 today, up 23% for the day, but I'm still below where the portfolio was before the recent correction. And I'm okay with that, because my investing decisions aren't based on what happened between the opening bell and closing bell. They're based on whether the original investment thesis is still intact. If the fundamentals keep improving, temporary volatility becomes much easier to live with. And this rally does not mean that I'm suddenly chasing stocks either. Instead, I'm watching Broadcom. Can AI networking continue growing at today's incredible pace? Marvell. Will custom silicon become an even larger business over the next several years? Nebius. Can the GPU cloud demand continue accelerating? IREN. Can management execute on its AI cloud expansion plans? And Credo. Will optical connectivity remain one of the fastest growing areas inside networking? Another stock I'm also watching is Cybers. Those are the questions that matter, and not whether a stock finished up 6% today. So the risks, what are the risks? It's important to remember that investing always involves risk. There's still plenty of reasons to remain cautious, and if hyperscalers begin reducing AI capital spending, if networking orders start slowing, if cloud demand weakens, or if higher interest rates put additional pressure on growth stocks, the market could become volatile again. And that's why I try not to become overly bullish after one great day, just like I try not to become overly bullish over one bad week, or overly bearish over one bad week, as the thesis matters more than the emotion. So today's rally was encouraging, but one green day doesn't suddenly change the long-term investment thesis. For me, the AI factory remains the framework, and every week I'll continue watching cloud spending, networking demand, optical technologies, and the companies building the infrastructure behind AI. Over the long run, business execution matters far more than daily price movements. So if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to subscribe. And beginning this Friday, we'll be launching the new series, the AI Factory Portfolio Update. We're going to track the Season 1 champions and discuss whether any investment these have changed and follow the portfolio as the AI Factory story continues to unfold. So the schedule is Monday stock hunt, where we review what's going on in the market and get ready for the week. Wednesday's AI Factory, get a new video every Wednesday about some sort of what's going on in the factory. And then Friday, you got the AI factory portfolio update. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.